Why is the Higgs boson called the God particle? The answer may astonish you. As the final missing component in the standard model of physics, the Higgs boson's discovery required over $14 billion and 4 decades of research. The tale behind the name can be traced back to Nobel laureate physicist Leon Lederman, who originally dubbed the elusive Higgs boson as the goddamn particle, to emphasize the challenges faced in detecting it. This was initially intended to be the title of his book on the subject. However, his publishers weren't exactly on board with that phrasing, so the title was changed to the God particle. Unfortunately, the publisher's version of the nickname stuck, and physicists were unhappy. Nevertheless, the Higgs boson remains a critical particle in the field of particle physics, providing a better understanding of the universe's fundamental structure. For more videos on physics, follow The Secrets of the Universe.